How to go live on TikTok. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can go live on TikTok. Well, you can open up TikTok, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll get the option to post, right? So you want to tap on live and you can proceed to head into live. Now on the live as well, you can see voice chat feature, device camera, mobile gaming as well, and live studio feature. Now how you can, so it's simple. You want to simply select here add title, you can select live goals, you can add in effects, a survey, and tap on go live and proceed to go live. Now however, there is a trick. You need to meet certain requirements in order to go live on TikTok. Now what is that requirement? Well, first thing, that your account age adds up to 18 plus. So only if your age on account is 18 plus, then you will be able to go live. So you can see my date of birth is 2000, which means that now on my account I'm basically 25 years old, so I can go live easily. But however, rather than age, there is other factor, that is the followers. You need to have at least 1000 followers minimum in order to be able to go live, and if you have met these two requirements, you can easily go live. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.